In this video, let's use our Pocket Option Auto Trader for desktop. And you also can have this binary option robot completely for free. Just use the link that you find above the video at X and below the video at YouTube. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. So, in this video we will take 5-second trade. We will use triple confirm. We will take $1,500 trades. Let's use opposite direction for a multiplier. So we use a multiplier of 2.2. We have 5 steps. Let's put a target of $5,000 and let's just start up the bot and let's see how we do. So now let's start up the bot. What he's doing right now, he's now collecting all the information he needs from the chart. Also, he go to the back in the history, so he have a good information about that. Plus, he's checking everything the indicators need, how to take the trade, what is needed, all this good stuff. After you have done that, he will then start to look for the first trade. So now he's done with collecting all the information. He's now starting to look for the first trade for this strategy. So now we're just waiting. Trades are quite fast when we're taking on 5-second close because it's much faster movements with indicators and he's much easier to find the first trade. So now you can see I've taken the first trade, it's a buy trade. That one is sadly a loss, but you're not too worried because we now are taking the second trade with a martingale and you see we won that one, so we have now 50% win rate. So it's a 1 win and 1 loss, $1,536 profit just in few seconds. But we are not happy with that. We are looking for $5,000 profit in this video. So you can see it's a cooldown. This is something that I made as a security because if there is a very high movement in one direction, we don't want that the indicators are following in a bad trend. So it's better to take a small cooldown so we can have better win rate, because in the end win rate is everything. As long as you can keep the win rate 50 and above, it's always good when you're using martingale. We don't want to see win rate around 25%, then can be costly and you need a bigger balance. For me it would be okay, but I have worked so much with these indicators to get the win rate high. Of course it's a little difficult when we are trading on smaller time frame because it's very fast to get something wrong, even though the indicators are working good. So it's better to use some of the indicators that are higher up for the smaller time frames. And the win rate, but still we are happy with the win rate more than 50%, because then we are safely building up the account as long as we use martingale. So once again, if you want this binary option, it's completely for free. I work a lot with it. And you know what? It is for cell phone and for desktop. This is the desktop version, but I also have one that is in Google Play Store. And you find it above the video at X and below the video at YouTube. So he's now looking for the second trade. You see he's taking his time. It's because he needs to have all the things that the indicators say to take a trade. So sometimes can take a little longer. This indicator we're using, by the way, triple confirm, is one that is a little more complex. It works very good from 15 and up, but I'm testing it now on a smaller time frame. Normally the strategies that are above this one works better on the smaller time frame, and the ones below triple confirm, they works better on the higher time frames. But I'm now testing this one to see how it's working, because this is the strategy that maybe is the more all around that works on smaller and on higher time frames. So we got a win here now. So you can see we now have a 6-7% win rate. Amazing. 2 win, 1 loss. I'm happy with that. 2,916. That means we will need 2 more trades. If we get 2 winners, 2 more trades, and we are done. Then we have reached our profit target. So as you can see, it can sometimes take time, but that is because we chose a little more complex strategy that normally works better on higher time frames. So like I said, triple confirm is one I feel is in the middle area that can work on smaller. That is what I'm testing now, but also works better on the higher. And also When come to win rate, some people come and send me a message. Oh, your bot is not working. I got 5 losses. Of course. The thing is, a win rate is not based on few trades. You need hundreds of trades. That is what I'm calculating from. So you need hundreds of trades before you can see the correct win rate on a strategy. But now we are 75. Amazing. Now we just need one more winner and we are done. So let's see here now. This did turn into a winner, and there we have it. 80% win rate with triple confirm. Amazing in my book. So once again, if you want this binary option robot, link above the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube, and make sure if you have any question at all, just leave them below the video also at X and at YouTube. I reply to every single question there is. So with that, have an amazing day.